How did they get it? Okay.
Feeding in the like that.
Feeding.
Mm.
Why you can't cover my face?
You go
Sir?
cover your face, they see you eating in the chop. They eat all those ants. You see them?
Okay. I've not seen this animal before. Though.
Me, I never see them. I make a video.
Maybe it's feeding on those crabs.
They feed on all those ants where they do on top of them. So, you see them? So they feed. Maybe they provide shade so that they don't go wrong. Shade they get.
I've not seen it before. But me. I've not seen this kind of bird though. What would they call this one?
Go hold them.